These are the results of 4 tests of a class of students, each out of 100. We are going to see how do we calculate the average or maximum or minimum for the given set of values. First of all, I'll go to the cell where I want to calculate the value. This cell is F4 where I want to calculate the values. Equals, go to the functions because I want to find the average. Go to average of the values. Click OK. Click OK. It calculates the values from B4 to E4. I'll just confirm if my values are from B4 to E4. Yes, it's right. So I'll click on OK. This gives you the average. I can use the autofill option to find the average of other values as well. This gives you the average of all the other values. Similarly, if I want to calculate the average of the given test, these are the averages of the students. Now average of each of the tests, if I want to calculate, I'll select the cell, press equals, go to the functions. We want to calculate average, so OK, average, OK. Now values from B4 to B18. B4 to B18, yes, it's right. So click OK. It will give you the average of all the values above. If I use this autofill option, it can help me to calculate the average of other columns as well. Now to calculate the maximum, select the cell, press equals, select the function. You want to calculate maximum. Now you can see max over here. This means the maximum. Say OK. Maximum of the given values from B4 to not B19. We want to select the values till B18. So make it B18. From B4 to B18, click OK. It will give you the maximum. If you check manually also, you can see the highest score is 95, and that is what is given here. I can use the autofill option to find the maximum of other values as well. This will give you the maximum of others. Now similarly, I can find the minimum of all the scores of the test. To find the minimum, I select the cell, press equals, select the Excel functions. I want a minimum. Now I don't see any minimum here, so I scroll it down to see MIN. Because I don't have any minimum option here, so I can do one thing. I can just say equals MIN. You can see minimum over here, Excel function minimum. So I click on minimum. If I double click on this, it fills minimum. Now you can select the region from where you want to calculate, till which region you want to find a minimum of. From B4 to B18. Close the bracket and then you press enter. This will give you minimum of the scores of the given column or given row. Similarly, if I use autofill option here, it will calculate minimum of other columns as well. So in case you don't find any option in the FX column, you can just type in that word, or you can just type the first letter so that Excel will read the other options related to that, and you can select your option to get the values.